Oh, this is different chicken. Wow. See how it's beautiful?
So that yung manok, friend,
Ang ganda-ganda ng manok.
kaya monogamous. Kasi kung ang partner mo,
Saka yung isa oh, yung puti na manok. Abaw, ang ganda-ganda.
oh, bumili nga na.
Super ganda niya. Kakaibang manok. Ngayon ako nakakita ng ganitong manok. Kaya no?
And
Ang
this
manok.
bread, even if a partner die, most
Ay, grabe, kaganda ng manok. Manok ba to?
for the rest of his life.
Which one? This
Other
one?
times, it will mourn his diseased partner.
Oh yeah, this is
For a
manok.
long time, and
Ibang
even
klaseng
get
manok.
activities that will cause it to death as well. Kind of system.
Napaka-friendly ng ibon dito. Oh.
They are
Sa
also
tabi ko
migratory
talaga
birds,
siya.
so they have very
Pwede mo siyang
powerful
hawakan. Kaso baka tukain ako eh.
butterfly from county.
Ay! Natuka nga ako! Guys. A bad girl. A bad bird. Ito ang ganda. This is chicken?
Which one?
All of them. Chicken?
No, this one is our crane.
No, this one.
Yeah, they are chickens.
They are chickens. Wow, this chickens is beautiful. Puti nandun. Oh. Ah, mayroong peacock. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi pala tunay yung isa. Ito lahat tunay. Grabe yung manok ko. Tingnan nyo. May boots ang paa. Kakaibang manok naman to. Tingnan mo itong manok nito isa, oh. Oh. Ay, grabe yung manokan to. Oh, yung puti. Ang ganda-ganda. Grabe. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong manok sa buong buhay ko. Ah, talagang kakaibang manok. Tapos ang babait nila kasi malapit sila sa tao. Lapit-lapit niya sa akin as in. Hindi siya takot. Agay! Parang
Like I said,
yung sarap hawakan. Yung isa itim naman yung isa.
they migrate
Yung
between
isa iba
Europe
naman,
and Asia.
ibang klase namang tong
They
manok na
survive
to.
in grasslands and also in desert areas.
Bakit ganito ang manok dito sa Ghana?
So where did you get it from?
Okay, we bought it from, we have a company that gets the animal. Then we
Yung isa grabe oh.
Okay, so
Laban
this
ka,
one we
laban?
get
Sige
their
daw.
from one particular place. It's from Europe and Asia. That's
Ang ganda nung manok. Ito talaga pinaka-favorite ko. Saka itong isa oh, parang ang ganda nitong isa. Ay grabe kaganda ng manok na to oh.
It's like a food breeding site and
Ah, tingnan mo to, purple yung palong niya.
so we try to make
Ito,
this
ito,
food very
purple.
suitable for them. And you know, if you are searching for something, you find it. There's no need to keep searching. So we feed them here twice a week.
Tapos yung 45, ay, one ko sa zoo. Manok na sa zoo.
And vegetables.
Ay, grabe kalaki naman yung isa oh.
Watch out, your map. I'm not ready for
Okay. I also have here this fluffy looking chicken.
Oh,
I have the white, the brown, I have the one.
I like the white one. And I like all of
I
them.
have the gray. These ones are called silky chickens. Yes, silky. Yes. Because the best when they
Ito daw bahay ng
they're
manok.
naturally
Dito daw
looking for
sila
safe and cool places to lay
nag-iitlog.
their eggs. So when they want to lay, they find their ways in there, lay their eggs and hatch.
Ang galing naman.
We have here the tetraplural,
Ginawan talaga sila ng bahay oh.
also known as